Today I am reviewing FVCLBZ I25 Ultra Unlocked Smartphone. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a premium unlocked smartphone that combines performance, style, and long-lasting battery life, the FVCLBZ I25 Ultra is a phone that truly stands out. This phone is packed with cutting-edge features designed for power users, gamers, and photography enthusiasts alike. Let's dive deep into what makes this phone a top choice in 2025. Starting with the display, the i25 Ultra boasts a massive 6.99-inch HD plus OLED screen with a resolution of 1440 by 3040 pixels, providing a crisp and vibrant viewing experience. Whether you are scrolling through social media, streaming videos, or gaming, the large screen ensures everything looks immersive and detailed. The OLED technology delivers rich colors, deep blacks, and high contrast, which makes watching movies or editing photos a visually stunning experience. Moving on to performance, this phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 12-core processor combined with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. This combination ensures lightning-fast performance whether you are running multiple apps simultaneously, playing graphics-intensive games, or handling large files. With expandable storage options, you can easily add a memory card to store even more of your favorite apps, music, videos, and photos. The phone's Android 14 operating system provides a smooth and modern interface with the latest features and security updates. Photography enthusiasts will be impressed by the 108MP rear camera and 68MP front-facing camera. These cameras capture incredibly detailed photos and videos, even in challenging lighting conditions. The high-resolution front camera is perfect for selfies or video calls, while the rear camera allows you to capture professional-quality images. Coupled with a large screen, reviewing and editing your shots directly on the phone becomes a seamless experience. Battery life is another standout feature of the i25 Ultra. Equipped with a massive 7,000 mAh battery, this phone is built to last through a full day of heavy usage without needing a recharge. Whether you are gaming, streaming, or working remotely, the AI-powered battery management optimizes power consumption to extend usage and standby times. This makes it a reliable companion for travel, outdoor activities, or busy workdays. The i25 Ultra also comes with dual SIM and a 3-card slot design, supporting 2 5G SIM cards simultaneously. This allows you to manage personal and business lines on a single device or enjoy global connectivity without switching phones. The phone's connectivity options include 5G, 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and even USB Type-C support, ensuring that you are always connected at high speeds. Security and convenience are also prioritized with face recognition, fingerprint unlock, and a built-in pen for enhanced productivity. The pen is perfect for note-taking, sketching, or navigating the interface with precision. Additional accessories such as a phone case, screen protector, SIM tray ejector, and USB OEG adapter come included, giving you everything you need right out of the box. In terms of design, the i25 Ultra comes in a striking wine red finish, which not only looks elegant, but also stands out in a crowd. The phone's sleek build, combined with its ergonomic design, ensures comfortable handling, even with its large screen size. In summary, the FVCLBZ I25 Ultra Unlocked smartphone is a powerhouse device that delivers on every front. From its massive HD plus OLED display, ultra-fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and 16 GB RAM, to its impressive 108MP camera system, 7,000 mAh battery, dual SIM support, and built-in pen, this phone is designed for those who demand the best in performance, style, and functionality. If you want a phone that can handle gaming, photography, productivity, and everyday tasks effortlessly, the i25 Ultra is a top-tier choice. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a gamer, or someone who loves to capture life in stunning detail, this phone is a perfect match. With the i25 Ultra, you truly get the full package: performance, durability, connectivity, and premium features all in one device.